Hey, Sean here, P2R. Today I wanted to talk to you about our dual purpose intake that we offer now for the 2009 and 2014 Acura TL super handling all-wheel drive, and also for the 2015 to 2020 Acura TLX. Now the reason we call this a dual purpose intake is because it's pretty much one intake system that can be used two ways. So here on the car I already installed our P2R silicone coupler section, and I have it installed with a factory earbox. Inside this earbox, I have a K&N high flow air filter. There's been a lot of people talking about whether a short ram intake is a good thing to do or not. So essentially this intake allows you to go back and forth between a short ram and also the factory earbox. And the reason we think this is good is because during the cooler months of the year, the short ram intake is definitely a better way to go. You get a lot more airflow, and with the temperatures being a little cooler outside, you don't necessarily have the negative of the heat soak that you would during the summer months. Then in the summer, you can easily swap back into your stock gearbox that has a high flow filter inside, and you can reap the cooler ears that the stock gearbox benefits. So with that, I just want to go in and show you how fast it is to install our intake system. Now I don't have any clamps on here because I'm just trying to make this very simple and easy to understand. So I'm going to start by taking off the map sensor and the mass airflow sensor. We got the intake section here, and all we have to do is pretty much remove our stock gearbox. Okay. And then we have our short ram section, pretty much installs the same way. You'll put on all your clamps, of course. And I mean, in theory, it's done there. All you have left to do is take off the mass airflow sensor from here and put it onto your new intake. Make sure you plug the mass airflow back in, plug back in your map sensor, make sure you put all your clamps on, and I mean, it's just like that. You can easily swap between the high flow and short ram section or your factory airbox.